hito. Hito is mean man, person, or human being, or mankind, or people. Now we are learning how to say in original Japanese reading sound, which mean onyomi. Hito ichibai. Hito ichibai is mean more than others or exceeding. Hito is mean person. Ichibai is mean bai is mean one time, right? Time. Ichi is mean one, so one time. Hito ichibai is mean more than one person time. It's mean like this. So hito ichibai is mean if your friend get 1,000 US dollar, and if you say hito ichibai is mean that you get $2,000, something like this. Koibito. Koibito is mean lover or sweetheart, or it mean that girlfriend and boyfriend. This kanji is mean we have the koi, the kanji of koi is mean love, and the second kanji is mean hito, and hito is mean people. So we have the kanji of love and people, so which mean lover or sweetheart or girlfriend and boyfriend had a meaning like this. And you see that the reading of the kanji hito in here is with bito. Why? Because the kanji of hito is at the back of the kanji of koi, so we put 10. So we can say bito, koi bito. We don't say koi hito, say koi bito. This we also say hito bito. Hito bito. Hito bito is people or everybody. We say in general. So in general, just say about people. So in Japanese they say hito bito. Hito bito is mean people, general people, everybody. And it is about the special reading. So it don't have in it doesn't have in onyomi reading and kunyomi reading. This is about the special reading, so you have to remember, not depend to the onyomi reading or kunyomi reading. In here we say otona. Otona is mean adult. Otona and seijin. The last moment we already learned about seijin, right? Seijin is also mean adult. But in here, and in here adult, in here we mean that the person that 18 years old. If you live in some country that they have the law that if your age is 18, more than 18 years old, that means you are adult, you are not children, or you are not your mothers, you are not just a children, but you are adult. So depend to the country, that which country, maybe some country they define about 17 years old, but in here some country they define about 18. So when your age is 18 years old, that means you are adult. And in Japanese they say otona. And in here we have the kanji of oto, not oto, but it's the kanji of oki. Oki is mean big, so big, and it put the kanji hito. This mean big person, but they don't say big person, they say adult. They mean you already grow up to be the person by yourself. And this also the special reading hitori. Hitori is mean alone or one person. So you can say hitori de gakkou e ikimasu, which means I go to school by alone. I go to school alone. In here, they don't say we have the kanji like ichi. Ichi is mean one, and the second kanji is mean hito. Hito is mean person. So one person, one with the kanji with person, this mean one person or one people, or alone, which means you alone. But they don't say ichi hito. They don't say ichi hito or ichi bito. They don't say that. They say hitori. So you should remember the special reading. Don't say hitori. Don't say the ichi hito. Don't say like this. Just say hitori. And he also does special reading. We read like futari. Futari. Futari is mean two people. And in here we have a kanji of ni. Ni is mean two. And hito is mean people. So if you put two people, they speak two people. But they don't say ni hito, they say futari.